Hey guys, this is Varun from Creators Anchor, where I upload videos about designing and editing in Canva. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create quotes video using Canva and earn money by uploading that video on platform like YouTube. Guys, I have created similar video like this about how to create quiz video in Canva and earn money. I got many views on that video and also many positive comments. I am really thankful for that, but many people don't subscribe to the channel. Please guys, subscribe to the channel so you can get notification for my future video like this. So without any further ado, let's dive into this video now. Open canva.com. Click on create a design button and search video in the search bar. Click on video. Now upload a photo of a famous person whom quotes you are going to present. I am going to use this Abraham Lincoln photo here. I already removed background from this photo and uploaded it. If you want to remove background from photo, then you can use free site like remove.pg. It's free. Just visit this website, upload image, and this will automatically remove your background from the image. It's simple. Now you can see background is removed from this photo. Resize this image. Now I am going to add some quotes here, quotes text. Go to the text tab and click on add subheading. Now search some Abraham Lincoln quotes. Copy this code and paste it here. Now it needs a little bit formatting here. Make it italic. Now change the background to black and insert some photo background here. Go to the photo tab and search any image you want. I'm going to search space. Click on this and resize this to fill the background. Reduce the transparency. Now change the font to white so it is visible now. Now let's see. Go to the animate and use typewriter effect, or you can use any effect you want. I'm going to use typewriter effect on the text. This looks cool. Now click on these three dots here, duplicate page. You can press Ctrl D to duplicate the page. Now change the codes on the second page. Copy this and change this code. Adjust it. Now you can see there are two pages here. I'm going to add video background on the second page. Detach this background image and go to the video tab here and add some video here. You can use any video you want. Fill this background here with this video. Now it's your background video. Reduce the transparency so the text is visible. You can see beauty background. Reduce the timing of this page, second page. Now I am going to read and record this quote and use that recording on this video. I am going to open voice recorder and record this first page quote here. It's recorded now. Now I'm going to insert that audio here. Go to the upload and upload that recorded file. This one, it's uploading. Now drag this audio below the first page. I'm sorry, you cannot listen to this recording because of some audio glitch. I will show that in the last part of my video. Please stay. Now I am recording the second part of the page, second quote. Now I am going to use that quote on this page. Upload the second quote. Drag and drop it to the below of the second page. Now both of the quote audio is here. Now I am going to add some background audio here, some music. You can use audio tab and you can use free audio here. Just adjust this audio. Now background music is also added. Background music is too loud, so I reduce the volume of this background music. Now let's see how the video looks with audio on. Most folks are as happy as they make up their mind to be. Character is like a tree and reputation like a shadow. The shadow is what we think of it. The tree is the real thing. So guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press the bell notification icon to get the notification of the future videos. If you have any doubt or need any help, then please ask the question in the comment section. I will try to help you.